Let's now talk about one of the biggest benefits of using ChatGPT: saving time. In this module, I'll walk you through how ChatGPT can help you do common tasks faster, more easily, and often more effectively, whether you're working, managing your life, running a business, or studying. Because here's the truth. Most of us waste hours each week on tasks that AI can now do in minutes. Let's look at some examples, and you'll probably recognize a few right away. Number 1. Writing emails. How many times have you stared at your screen, trying to figure out how to start an email? With ChatGPT, you can type, "Write a professional email requesting a meeting next week," or "Draft a friendly follow-up email after a networking event." In seconds, you get a polished draft. Just tweak it and hit send. You can even say, "Make it more confident," add a question at the end, shorten to 3 sentences. Suddenly, a 15-minute task takes 90 seconds. Number 2. Writing or editing documents. Whether you're creating proposals, reports, letters, or blog posts, ChatGPT can help you. Create an outline, suggest headlines, rewrite in a better tone, add missing pieces, correct grammar. Let's say you wrote something and it feels too long or too stiff. You can paste it into ChatGPT and say, "Make this more concise and conversational." It will instantly transform your content. Number 3. Summarizing long texts. Tired of reading endless emails or reports? Try this. Summarize the following in 5 bullet points. Paste the text, done. Or, what are the key takeaways from this? Give me a TLDR version. This alone can save dozens of minutes per day. Number 4. Planning your week or day. ChatGPT can act like a smart planner. Say, create a weekly schedule for someone working full-time with 2 hours a day to build a side hustle. Or, plan my day with blocks for admin, meetings, breaks, and deep work. It can help you break large projects into steps, organize to-do lists, or even suggest what to prioritize. Number 5. Generating ideas fast. Need ideas for blog posts, social media content, video scripts, product names, event themes? Just ask ChatGPT. Try, "Give me 10 ideas for TikTok videos for a fitness coach." Or, "Brainstorm 5 email subject lines for a time-saving app." You get content in seconds. No more blank screen syndrome. Number 6. Templates and reusable content. Once you've got a prompt that works, you can reuse it. For example, a prompt to write LinkedIn posts, a prompt to summarize meeting notes, a prompt to create a weekly meal plan. You build a library of go-to instructions, and ChatGPT becomes your productivity sidekick. Bonus: admin tasks. It can help you write invoices, terms of service, checklists, job descriptions, bios, FAQs, you name it. If it's text-based, ChatGPT can usually help. Save hours every week. You don't need to be a techie to start saving time. You just need to start asking smarter questions and giving clear instructions. Here's a challenge. Look at your to-do list. Pick one task. Ask ChatGPT to do part of it. Just one. You might be shocked at how much time you get back. In the next slide, I'll show you real-life examples of these time-saving tasks, so you can try them immediately.
Let's now move from theory to real-life examples. These are situations where ChatGPT has helped me, clients, or students save time, and where you can likely apply it today in your own life or work. Each one is based on a very common challenge, and you'll see just how quick the AI can solve it. Real example 1. Writing a tricky email. The problem: you need to send an email to your client explaining a delay, and you want to sound professional but not too stiff. The ChatGPT prompt: write a polite email to a client explaining a 1-week delay due to supplier issues. Offer a revised timeline and thank them for their patience. What it did: gave a clean, friendly, well-structured email in 5 seconds. No stress, no awkward phrasing. Real example 2. Summarizing meeting notes. The problem: you just had a long Zoom meeting. You wrote rough notes, but now need a neat, readable summary to send to your team. The ChatGPT prompt: summarize the following meeting notes into 5 bullet points with clear actions and decisions. What it did: turned messy bullet points into a clear, structured summary. Saved at least 20 minutes of editing. Real example 3. Planning a weekly schedule. The problem: you're juggling work, kids, side hustle, and self-care, and your time is chaotic. The ChatGPT prompt: create a weekly schedule for a full-time employee with 2 kids who wants to work 1 hour a day on a side hustle and exercise 3 times a week. What it did: gave a 7-day plan with suggested time blocks, rest days, and reminders. It felt like having a personal coach. Real example 4. Brainstorming blog topics. The problem: you run a small business and no content is key, but you don't know what to write about this week. The ChatGPT prompt: give me 10 blog post ideas for a productivity app targeting freelancers. Include catchy titles. What it did: delivered 10 smart, relevant ideas, all formatted and titled for quick use. Took less than a minute. Real example 5. Creating a service description. The problem: you want to start offering a digital product or freelance service, but you don't know how to describe it. The ChatGPT prompt: write a short product description for a PDF planner designed to help freelancers track projects and income. Make it sound modern and practical. What it did: gave a polished, conversion-friendly paragraph, perfect for Etsy, Gumroad, or a website. Real example 6. Improving my own writing. The problem: you wrote a caption, post, or pitch, but it sounds boring or flat. The ChatGPT prompt: improve the following text. Make it sound more persuasive and energetic. What it did: kept the message, but elevated the tone, added structure, and made it pop, all in seconds. The pattern: what do all these examples have in common? They save time, they remove creative pressure, they eliminate guesswork, and they help you take action faster. This is the real power of ChatGPT. It's not about sounding robotic, it's about using AI to do the first draft so you can move quicker. Try one today. Here's your challenge. Pick one example from this slide. Use the exact prompt or adapt it. Paste it into ChatGPT and see how much time and energy it saves you. If it works, keep going. If it doesn't, tweak the prompt. You're building a skill that will change how you work, write, and create forever. In the next slide, I'll show you how ChatGPT helps you go from ideas to finished content in minutes.
Have you ever faced the pain of a blank page? You sit down to write a blog post, or plan your next piece of content, or explain an idea in a way that sounds clear and professional, and nothing comes out. You hesitate, you second guess, you lose time. Well, with ChatGPT, that blank page problem is over. This slide is all about how you can use AI to go from idea to finished content faster than ever before. Create step 1. Start with a prompt. It doesn't matter whether you're writing a blog, a caption, a social media post, a script, a proposal, a product page, a video outline. It all starts with a good prompt. Let's say you want to write a blog about time management tips for freelancers. You could say, act like a productivity coach. Write a blog post introduction about time management challenges freelancers face and how to solve them. Make it friendly and relatable. Boom! Instant first draft, without staring at a blinking cursor for 30 minutes. Step 2. Break it down into sections. If you need help expanding the content, you can go step by step. Ask for, give me 5 subheadings for this topic. Now write the first section in 100 words. Now add a CTA at the end, encouraging readers to try a free planner. ChatGPT becomes your co-writer, handling structure and flow while you fine-tune or add your personal flair. Step 3. Edit on the fly. Don't like the result? No problem. Say, make it more engaging, use simpler language, add a quote or statistic, rewrite in 3 short paragraphs with bold headings. It's like having an editor, proofreader, and writing assistant in one. Step 4. Switch formats instantly. This is where ChatGPT becomes a content machine. You can say, turn this blog post into an Instagram carousel outline. Summarize this into a LinkedIn post. Create a tweet thread from this idea. Rewrite this as a script for a short TikTok video. From one idea, you now have multiple formats. That's a massive time saver for creators, entrepreneurs, marketers, and educators. Step 5. Add visual suggestions. Want to bring your content to life? Say, what image or visual could go with this post? Suggest a caption to pair with this image of a planner. Give me 3 Canva template ideas that match this blog. You'll not only write faster, you'll publish smarter. Real impact. Let's be honest, writing content takes time. Structuring it, formatting it, polishing it, reworking it. It's a creative drain. But with ChatGPT, you shift from content creator to content director. You don't have to invent every word from scratch. You just steer the conversation. Give the idea, refine the draft, reformat as needed, publish faster. And guess what? The quality is usually just as high, if not higher, because you're less tired, less stressed, and more focused. Your challenge: pick any piece of content you've been procrastinating on: a landing page, a blog post, a newsletter, a short video script. Use ChatGPT to draft it. Use your own voice to edit it. And publish it within the next 48 hours. You'll be amazed at how fast you can create once you stop doing everything alone. Coming up next, let's talk about how to build a system around this so you can reuse your best prompts and scale your workflow.
It's time for your first mini challenge. Why? Because learning by watching is good, but learning by doing? That's where the real transformation happens. This challenge is simple, it's fast, and it's designed to prove to you, right now, just how much time and energy you can save using ChatGPT. Here's the challenge. Pick one task from your life or work that normally takes 15 to 30 minutes. It could be writing an email, drafting a post, planning your day or week, creating a short product description, summarizing a long message, brainstorming ideas for something you're stuck on. Got one? Great. Now, take that task and turn it into a clear, structured prompt using what you've learned in the last few slides. Use the formula if you want: role plus task plus context plus format plus tone. Here are a few examples you can use or adapt. Email prompt. Write a friendly follow-up email to a client after a call, summarizing next steps and confirming delivery by next week. Content prompt. Act as a copywriter. Create 5 Instagram caption ideas for a mindfulness coach targeting busy professionals. Use a calm and inspiring tone. Planning prompt. Help me plan my week. I work full-time, want to exercise 3 times, and spend 2 hours per day on my side project. Make a schedule. Summarizing prompt. Summarize this long email into 3 bullet points with clear action items. Idea generation prompt. Give me 10 product ideas I could sell as a side hustle using ChatGPT. Step-by-step. Open chat.openai.com. Log in or create a free account. Choose one of the prompts above or write your own. Paste it into ChatGPT, read the result. If needed, ask for a revision. Shorter, friendlier. Try again. That's it. One task, one prompt, one response. If the result saves you 15 minutes, you've already won. And imagine doing that 3 to 5 times per week. It adds up fast. What this proves: this challenge is about breaking the myth that AI is too complicated, too technical, or not for you. In under 5 minutes, you'll see for yourself how easy it is to get started, how much time you can actually save, how powerful a well-written prompt can be. It turns ChatGPT from something interesting into something useful. And once you experience that, you'll naturally start using it more often. Bonus tip: if you find a prompt that works well for you, save it. Copy it into a note or document. That becomes part of your prompt library, a growing list of shortcuts you can reuse to save even more time. In a future module, we'll even help you organize that into a proper system. But for now, let's just start with one win. Recap. Here's your 5-minute challenge. Choose a task you do often, write a prompt to get ChatGPT's help, get the output, tweak if needed. Note how long it would have taken you otherwise. Smile. You just save time with AI. Let's go. Pause the course now and give it a shot. When you come back, we'll continue with even more ways to save and streamline using ChatGPT.